been the best team to ever play? Think about it. We're the best team to ever play this game.
So much. Honestly, there have been many points where I've hit rock bottom and I just didn't think it was worth it at all. But in the end, it is worth it.
No.
This looks delicious.
Yes, it looks very good. Plain and simple.
Exactly. Everyone else thinking.
I can't believe it's over. Seriously, I can't believe it's over.
Forever.
I know. I can't believe that it's over.
Hardest time emotionally in this house.
Oh, pretty baby. I'm laying him there down. Pretty baby. Oh. Oh, pretty baby.
Danielle's my daughter. And Danielle hasn't touched me.
What are you doing to my toes?
Oh.
What are you doing, bitching my leg?
It's going to be very tough for both of us now. I don't know what's going to happen with this either. I hope that this will be fixed. I mean, this is important.
Are you wiggling my toes? Are you trying to wiggle my toes? Oh, pretty baby. Oh, you fall down. You fall down. Oh. Bye.
People feel comfortable. You know what I mean?
Bye-bye.
It's just we can be cordial with each other.
Bye-bye.
We'll just take it as it goes.
You can't just see somebody one day and be like, okay, everything's fixed just because we're going to be stuck in a house for 3 months.